Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Maidina Syafitri. My name is F1E122179. Here, I will explain the strengths, weakness, strategies, tricks, and techniques used to take TOEFL and IELTS reading practice test, as well as which reading practice test I prefer. Okay, let's go straight to the TOEFL first. The strength of the TOEFL IBT reading practice test is that the IBT format is more commonly used, making it easier for us in the TOEFL IBT reading test. Standard is academic reading and writing. The weakness of the TOEFL IBT reading practice test is that it is more difficult in terms of grammar and complexity of the test material. Tricks that can be used to take the TOEFL IBT reading practice test are 1. Skimming to quickly read the text to get a general idea of the topic. 2. Scanning focus on looking for specific information. 3. Read the question first before reading the text. The strategy that we can use for the TOEFL IBT reading practice test is 1. Do a simulation test. 2. Improve your speed reading skills. 3. Expand your vocabulary. The technique that can be used for the TOEFL IBT reading practice test is managing time by setting a time for each section, and use English intuition to understand the overall meaning. The second is IELTS. The strength of the IELTS reading practice test is that it is widely accepted in many English-speaking countries, and this test also tests direct speaking skills, namely interaction with the interviewer. The weakness of the IELTS reading practice test is that the time given to do each part of the test is limited, and the test takes place in one day. Usually, the duration is longer than the TOEFL. The strategy used to detect the IELTS reading practice test is 1. Keep practicing the reading test. 2. Create a strategy that is comfortable for yourself. 3. Look for study friends who are good at English. The tricks used for the IELTS reading practice test are almost the same as the TOEFL tricks. The other tricks are 1. Identify the keyword from the question. 2. Eliminate the answer. Choose the one that is most similar to text information. The technique used for the IELTS reading practice test is 1. Read the instructions carefully. 2. Don't take too long on one question. 3. Use active reading techniques such as making a summary. I prefer the TOEFL reading practice test because of the availability of various kinds of test practice materials and the flexibility of using score result. TOEFL institutions in Indonesia are more recognized for applying for jobs such as in state-owned companies and civil servants. So, that's my explanation. Thank you for attention, ma'am. If there is a mistake, I apologize. And wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.